Logic apps power automate and functions all run code or workflows in response to events, and they overlap enough that teams pick the wrong one constantly. In this video, I'll build one real integration end-to-end, an order fulfillment flow, and at each step, I'll show you which of the three to reach for and why. By the end, you'll have a decision rule you can apply on your own architecture without guessing, instead of forcing every problem into a single favorite service. Quick framing first. Azure Functions is code. You write a function in C#, Python, or JavaScript, it scales to 0, and you pay per execution. Azure Logic Apps is a hosted workflow engine with over 1,000 connectors, designed for integration between systems, defined as JSON, and deployed like infrastructure. Power Automate sits on the same Logic Apps engine, but is aimed at business users, lives in Microsoft 365, and bills per user or per flow. Same plumbing, very different audiences and governance. If this helped, do me a favor, hit the like button, subscribe, and tap the bell so you don't miss the next one. See you in the next video.